Production planning and scheduling. Effective production planning and scheduling are critical components of manufacturing and service operations, ensuring that resources are utilized efficiently, deadlines are met, and customer satisfaction is achieved. Now, in this video, we will explore the fundamentals, the objectives, the benefits, and tools used in production planning and scheduling. Well, first, what is production planning? Production planning is the process of determining the most efficient way to use resources, such as materials, labor, and equipment, to meet production goals. It involves forecasting demand, planning resources, determining production methods, and setting production timelines. Now, the objective is to create a roadmap that aligns production capacity with customer requirements while minimizing costs. Now, what is production scheduling? Now, production scheduling focuses on the specific allocation of resources to tasks and activities over time. It ensures that the production plan is executed in an orderly and timely manner. Key activities include the following: assigning tasks to workstations or teams, sequencing tasks based on priorities, monitoring and adjusting schedules as needed. Scheduling helps to optimize workflow and prevent bottlenecks. Objectives of production planning and scheduling. First, resource optimization. Second, timely delivery. Third, cost efficiency. Fourth, quality assurance, and then flexibility. Now, resource optimization. This involves ensuring effective utilization of materials, labor, and equipment. Timely delivery involves meeting customer deadlines and reducing lead times. Cost efficiency involves minimizing production costs by reducing waste and idle time. Quality assurance involves maintaining consistent product quality through planned workflows. Flexibility involves adapting to changes in demand, raw material availability, or equipment downtime. Key steps in production planning and scheduling. First, demand forecasting. This involves analyzing historical data, market trends, and customer orders to predict future demand. Second, capacity planning. This involves assessing available resources and identifying constraints such as equipment limitations or workflow availability. Third, material requirements planning. This involves calculating the materials needed for production based on the bills of materials and inventory levels. Workload distribution. This involves assigning tasks and balance workloads across teams and machines to avoid overburdening any single resource. Task sequencing. This involves arranging production tasks in an optimal order to minimize setup time and reduce delays. And then monitoring and adjusting. This involves tracking production progress and making real-time adjustments to address unexpected disruptions. Benefits of production planning and scheduling. The following are some of the benefits of production planning and scheduling. We have improved efficiency. This production planning and scheduling helps streamline operations and reduces downtime. Cost reduction. It helps lowers inventory holding costs and operational expenses. Enhance customer satisfaction. It helps deliver products on time with consistent quality. Better resource management. It helps ensure balanced use of labor and equipment. Increased flexibility. It enables quick response to market or production changes. Challenges in production planning and scheduling. The following are some of the challenges in production planning and scheduling. First, you have demand uncertainty, which are fluctuations in customer demand, which can disrupt plans. Resource constraints. Limited availability of resources, labor, or machinery is also a challenge. Complex processes, managing interdependent tasks in multi-product environment is a key challenge. Technology integration, adapting to new production planning software or tools is another challenge. Change management, responding to last-minute changes without disrupting workflows. Tools and techniques for effective planning and scheduling. First, you have Gantt charts, which helps to visualize production timelines and track task progress. Enterprise resource planning, ERP systems, which integrate production planning with other business processes such as inventory and finance. Just-in-time production, which involves minimizing inventory by producing only what is needed when it is needed. Kanban systems, using visual signals to control workflow and inventory. Advanced planning and scheduling software, leveraging algorithms to optimize complex production schedules. Lean manufacturing tools, focusing on eliminating waste and enhancing process flow. Best practices for production planning and scheduling is the next. Best practices for production planning and scheduling. Um, some of the best practices for production planning and scheduling include collaboration across departments, which involves engaging teams from procurement, operations, and sales, engineering, and others to ensure alignment. Then prioritizing tasks, focusing on high priority orders and critical operations. Leveraging data analytics, using data-driven insights for forecasting and decision making. Implementing real-time monitoring, using IoT, Internet of Things, and sensors to track production metrics in real time. Reviewing and improving continuously, regularly analyzing performance metrics and refining processes. So in all, production planning and scheduling are indispensable for modern operations, ensuring efficiency, cost savings, and customer satisfaction. By leveraging advanced tools, adopting best practices, and maintaining flexibility, organizations can navigate challenges and achieve operational excellence.